So, hello. Today we are going to talk about the concept of the ellipse. Ellipse is a set of points on a plane whose sum of distance from fixed point f1 and f2 called Pornchai is constant. So next, let's talk about the composition of the ellipse. A. Distance from center to vertex. 2a equal to the major axis. B is the distance from center to the co-vertex. 2b is equal to the minor axis. C is distance from the center to focus. 2c equal to focal length, and A have to be always more than B. Formula. Center is hk. If the major axis is horizontal, the formula is x minus h square over a square plus y minus k square over b square equal to 1. But if the major axis is vertical, x minus h square over b square plus y minus k square over a square equal to 1. So next is a square is equal to b square plus c square, similar to the concept of Pythagoras theorem. Next, lateral rectum. Lateral rectum is a line crossing from one point of the ellipse to another point in the straight line passing focus, and lateral rectum is equal to 2b square over a. Next is the eccentricity of the ellipse. It is the measure of how near circular the ellipse is. Eccentricity equal to E equal to C over A, and eccentricity have to be less than 1. And if you want the eccentricity of the circle is 0. So that is all of the basic concept of the ellipse. Thank you.
The major axis of the ellipse is 186 million miles. The sun is located at one of the focus. If the ratio of the distance between center and the foci to the half of major axis is 1/62, what is the shortest distance
Between Sun and Earth?
The answer is 91.5 million miles.
Correct.
Welcome to my team. The problem. The major axis is measured between two vertices, the longer one. The major axis is 186 million miles, so A is equal to 93 million miles. The sun is located at the one of the focus, so the picture will be like this. If the ratio of the distance between center and a foci to the half of major axis is 1/62, we will use the eccentricity of an ellipse, E equal to C over A. So C over A is equal to C over 93, and C over 93 is equal to 1/62. And we can solve for C. C will be equal to 3/2. Now we can solve the shortest distance between Sun and Earth. The shortest distance is A minus C. Like this picture. A is 93 and C is 3/2. So the answer is 91.5 million miles.
A whispering room is one with an elliptic calling or exhaling. If someone stands at one focus of the ellipse and whispers something to his friend, did this press sound waves or reflected by the ceiling and concentrated at the other focus. Allow people across the room to clearly hear what he said. Suppose such gallery has a ceiling reaching 20 feet above the 5-foot high. Vertical walls at its tallest point, and suppose the foci of the ellipse are 30 feet apart. What is the height of the ceiling above each whispering point?
And the answer is 1 million feet.
Wrong.
The answer is 21 feet.
Correct.
Welcome to my team. From the problem, the whispering room is like this. If someone stands at one focus, so her height is equal to the vertical walls. The gallery has a ceiling reaching 20 feet above the 5 feet height. Vertical walls at tallest point. The picture will be like this. And B will equal to 20. The focus of the ellipse are 30 feet apart, so 2C equal 30 and C equal 15. We will use the Pythagoras theory to find A. The formula is A to the power of 2 equal to B to the power of 2 plus C to the power of 2. A to the power of 2 equal to 400 plus 225. A to the power of 2 equal to 625. A equal to 25. Assuming that the center of the floor is at origin, so the center of the ellipse will be at the point 0 and 5 because the height of vertical wall is 5 feet. Now we will use this equation. Because the major axis is horizontal, after we put the numbers into the equation, we will get the equation like this. The problem wants to know the height of ceiling above each whispering point, so we will set that the point of height is at the point xy. And we know that x is equal to 15 because it's at the line of latus rectum. Then substitute x by 15 and we'll get this equation. And solve like this. We multiply 250,000 to both sides of the equation to cut the denominator. So, 400 times 225 to the power of 2 plus 625 times y minus 5 to the power of 2 will equal to 250,000. After we solve the equation, y minus 5 to the power of 2 will equal to 256. So, y minus 5 equal to 16. So, y equal to 21. The answer of this problem will be 21 feet.
เห็นแล้วหน้าพี่เห็นชัดเลยส่วนหน้าปันก็ยังเหมือนเดิมอ่ะ
B to the power of 2 plus B to the power of 2 A to the power of 3